Hi, it's Allison Burke with DanceTeacherWeb, and we're going to break down the butterfly into the floor movement from my lose control, beginning, intermediate, contemporary combination. So the butterfly jump itself is about having an up chest, arms to the side, and you're going to flick the legs, or flutter, I should say, like a butterfly. So you're going to go up, up, and we're there. So we land, if we're starting with that right leg, we land with the right leg. So it's right, left, landing right. Into the floor for the combination, you're going to ground with that right leg, and you're going to ease yourself onto the ground. And what I'm doing is I'm rolling on the outside of my leg there. So this is safe zone. On top of shin into patella zone, not safe zone. So for beginners with this, I would have them really focus on landing and then slowly coming down. You would ground and then land. For advanced dancers, I would have them raise the stakes just a little bit, and they wouldn't separate that landing with the right and then easing onto the ground as much. It'd be a little quicker of a transition, and they would go right to the outside of their leg. So for advanced students, it would be down. For the beginner students, it would be, you see there's a little bit of space in there, a little bit of time to get that grounded foot, and then ease yourself down for the beginning students. And for those advanced students, the stakes are high, and they go right to the ground.